Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off suppress highlights on your notification server settings on your accounts on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here. Now here you will find notifications, click on it, and here as you see you will find suppress highlights. As you see, click on it like this and it will be turned off. And that's it. That's how to turn off suppress highlights on your accounts on Discord. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.